everybody, or a good day to you, depending on what time of the day this video happens to find you. It is currently 8:15, a quarter past 8 in the morning, and it's pretty late by world standards to be awake at this time, because it's like a whole hour after everybody else is awake and after everybody else has been doing their thing, working. But typically for me, this is the right time to wake up, since I am not officially employed. I've got my own schedule, I do my own stuff, and I wake up at 8. As you can tell, we're not out on the road today. I'm gonna try this vlog thing for a little bit, you know? So I'm gonna wake up, do a little cleaning, and then talk to you guys about the future plans that I have and all that. But as for now, I'll see you guys in a bit. I got some cleaning that I need to do. Okay, so now that the cleaning is done, let me quickly jump in the shower and I'll be back so that we can talk about some things, the future of the channel and where the content's gonna go after the ban of the motorcycles and bicycles and whatever. Y'all got the gist if you guys have been following my previous videos of what's been going on lately. So I'll be back after a bit. Let me just quickly jump in the shower and dress differently. I know I look a little rough right now. I'll be right back. So I know I said I was gonna be back right after the shower, but this is actually day 2 after recording, after everything that you just saw before this. I don't know, lately I've caught a lazy bug where, I don't know, I just felt lazy for some reason, because all the other content that I was creating before, all those 30-something videos, well, that was mainly because I really didn't have to prepare or think about anything. All I did was just get out on the road, camera strapped to my chest or my helmet, and just go on about my business, you know? I was integrating the camera into what I already did every day, which is why it was easy for me to create that content. But now that the city of Bujumbura has decided to scrap the bikes off the road, I now have to, you know, resort to making videos that require that I sit down and think and conceptualize and come up with the idea, with the next great idea of the next video. But don't worry about it, you know, don't unsubscribe just yet. I'm gonna make those videos, I'm gonna keep making them. I just need to move to a different city and make content from there. I'm thinking about Gitega, and so it's gonna take a while. You know, I need to figure out where I'm gonna stay, where I'm gonna be at. I need to plan a budget and all of that, so it's gonna take some time. But
In the meantime though, I was thinking maybe for the next 2 to 3 weeks, I should switch to houses. You know, I want to give you guys something of substance. I want the channel to provide some sort of value to those of you that are subscribed. And since I'm aware that a lot of you will be coming to Burundi this summer, so I thought, you know, maybe I'd get out there and look for rental homes, rental apartments, or even, you know, houses for sale, plot of lands for sale. And I've already got a few of those lined up, and you know, the only thing that's left is the filming, which I am, you know, currently figuring out how to, you know, do the whole thing and present the content to you guys. So yeah, there's that. But to those of you that subscribe to the channel specifically for the tours that I do in and around the city, don't worry about that. Nothing's gonna change. I'm just gonna, you know, I'm gonna need a little bit of time to relocate to a different city and create that content somewhere else, you know. But in the meantime, I'm gonna be, you know, doing houses and everything. And also, not to mention that I had a few clips saved up, so I'm gonna be posting those clips. I have about 4 or 5 clips saved up that I recorded riding around the city before the 21st, which is when the official banning of all of the two-wheelers and three-wheelers was implemented, you know. So yeah, there's that. But other than that, you know, I guess every now and then I'm gonna be doing these vlog sort of videos. If anybody's noticed, it's been about 7 days today, which is the day that I'm recording. It's been about 7 days since I last posted a video, and this video is going to be posted tomorrow, which is the 8th day. And so 8 days is like a week and a day. And you know, previously my schedule was 2 videos per week, and now I've already skipped a week. It's not good for the algorithm, but so far the channel, you know, the channel is doing good. My Buyenzi video is skyrocketing. It's the one video that's basically carrying the whole channel right now, and all the other ones, but you know, Buyenzi is like sort of leading. So yeah, that's pretty much the future of the channel and the content. For the next 2 to 3 weeks, like I said, it's going to be houses, plots of land. And so to those of you watching this video right now, if you have a house that you would want me to put up on the channel, hey, let me know. Whether it's a plot of land that you're selling, whether it's a apartments for rent or whole rental homes, let me know. Each one of my videos is going to will be composed of 3 houses per video, a video of about 12 to 15 minutes each. Done. So for those of you that want to, you know, advertise your stuff out here, I'm doing it for free. I'm looking for content. You're looking for a way to put your stuff out there. Let me know. And if you do happen to come across a client, or if my platform happens to help you out somehow, maybe you can compensate me, and I'll appreciate that. But in the meantime, help me help you. I'm looking for content. You're looking for a way to put your stuff out there. So yeah, I guess we can help each other that way. I'll leave my Instagram link where you can send me the DMs below, and I'll leave my work phone number. That's the phone number that's not personal. It's the number where I can receive all the calls and everything. It's linked to my WhatsApp too, so you guys can reach me down there for business inquiries, if I may say so. Yeah, there's that. But other than that, every time I do one of these videos, you guys are gonna see me with these glasses on. This is my superhero mask, you know. I don't want you recognizing me when I'm out there in the streets. For some reason, I think this makes a difference. It changes my whole visual. But yeah, I really didn't have much to say other than, you know, I didn't want the channel to be too dry. I wanted to post something out there for you guys to see. And so, yeah, this is, you know, this is me filling out the empty spaces in the channel. Since 7 days, I don't want it to be too dry for too long. But those of you that are watching this video right now, there's going to be another video, which is Buyenzi Part 2. So look for that in the channel, or it should already appear somewhere in your home page, because I'm gonna post these 2 videos in the same day, but this is gonna come out first, and then I'll release the second one like about 30 minutes or an hour later. So that's pretty much it, y'all. This is Not So Brendan here. I am still around. I'm not going anywhere. Content will still be produced, so do not unsubscribe to the channel. We are currently about 2,400 something subscribers strong, which is, shout out to you guys. A big shout out to y'all, and a big shout out to everybody that is contributing to the channel, helping out the channel in PayPal and whatnot. All of your donations are going to be used for relocating and all of that, you know. It'll help me create, it'll help, what's the word I'm looking for in English? It'll help cater. It'll help when it comes to the expenses that I will incur when I have to get out there and record content in a different city, you know, transport, place to stay, food and all that. So big shout out to you guys. So yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any suggestions that you have down in the comment section. Let me know. I'm open to, you know, exploring different types of content. Anything that I feel comfortable doing and anything that I feel like I can handle, I will do. But until then, I'll see you guys next time. This is Not So Brendan here. Peace out. I got my clock hands on.